Uh-oh, it's sticking.
Yeah, do it.
Dang it!
Made
Okay,
it. You made
okay,
it.
okay,
You
we
put
got
it
it.
on there.
Hot!
You squish
It's
it.
too hot to squish! It's too hot to squish!
Hey, you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're in Guatemala. If you're new to the channel, this is April.
Hola!
And I'm Wayne. We do a video every Thursday, so hit that subscribe button and smash that bell. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Buenos días. Buenos días. Con permiso. ¿Cómo está?
Pueden empezar la cocina, es muy
Oh,
pequeña.
muchas gracias.
Get in.
Muy bajo, hola. El arroz
Ajá.
y aquí se está cociendo lo que es el tamalito con chipilín.
Ahorita empiezan las tortillas.
Okay, she will starting to make
Ahorita voy a hacer
tortillas
eso.
now. Do you want to try to make one tortilla?
Like that?
Entonces una bolita así.
You can make one circle like ball.
Roll.
Pues así.
Like that?
Yes.
Ajá, sí, así.
Yes.
And then, no, with
Sí,
your
así.
palms. Flap, flap, slap, slap.
Yes. Good job.
Uh-oh,
Wayne.
it's sticking.
Yes, but now with your finger you start to make, yes, spinning and making pressure around.
Oh, I see.
Yes, you made
Okay,
it. You made
okay,
it.
okay,
You
we
put
got it.
it on there. Yes.
Oh, I screwed it up.
It's a wing tortilla there.
Definitely doesn't look as good. After 15 tries, I have one that almost looks like a tortilla.
It's hard.
It's very
It's
hard.
hard. I had a hard
very hard.
time the other night.
You can take one tortilla and to make like two taquitos, and you can add a little bit salt on it, and
Okay.
after you squish and
Okay.
to close.
So I take this.
Okay,
Yeah.
sal, si quiere un poco de sal.
Yeah. Put a little bit on it. Yes. Now close.
Close.
And squish.
Hot.
Squish.
It's too hot to squish. It's too hot to squish. Le ayudo.
What?
She don't even
Oh.
nothing.
She has calluses. She's.
See?
Mmm. Delicioso.
It's like a corn pretzel.
Yeah, and a little bit salty.
Yeah. I kind of like it with the salt on there.
Mm-hmm.
It gives it, I'm telling you, it's just like a
better
pretzel.
flavor. Yeah, it's good flavor.
It seems like everywhere we go, the corn tastes a little different.
Lowland, yeah, is more hot weather, where that is more tiny corn bean. And here in the highland, remember the corn plant is huge, and here is different texture. This one is the local grinder for
Yes.
Mayan families. And here, for example, they are using this arm, is another stone arm, and they are making friction using your hand, yeah, and like to making friction like this, yes?
They get up at 5 a.m., they go to the market, get the stuff for lunch, they start to prep the lunch, and after lunch, then that's when they do their weaving.
Yeah.
Until what time?
Between 5 and 6 p.m.
Wow, that is
And after
amazing.
they continue to prepare the dinner, but some of them they continue after dinner weaving until midnight.
Wow.
Yeah. She's 73 years old.
Wow.
She's 44.
Oh, my age too. Yeah.
She has 5 children, 4 women and 1 man.
That's my family. I have 4 girls, 1 boy.
1 boy.
Yeah.
Ella también, solitos estamos viviendo.
It's a big house, yeah, for that they are living alone here,
Yeah.
but it's unique stuff for them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys want a real Mayan authentic experience, you can actually come stay in the home with them, eat, and sleep traditional Mayan. We'll have to put this on the next trip.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Chocolate Factory. Here we make the artisanal chocolate. It's a product for the cacao beans. The first process to make the chocolate in the bean factory is to cut the cacao fruit come from the tree. Inside in this fruit we have the cacao seeds with the white pulp. For example, in this picture, that is pulp is very important for the fermentation process. And for the yeast process, we'll use the wood boxes and banana leaves 1 month. Move the seeds, for example, 1 time in the 1 week. And close it with the banana leaves, and the cacao seeds absorb the white food. And the next process is roasting the cacao. And for the yeast process, we'll use the comal, this one. Add the seeds and low fire. This process is to 10 to 15 minutes. Is the best for the fire. And the next process, peeling the cacao to separate the cacao bean and the husk. This process is by hand, 1 by 1. With the husk, we use to make the cacao tea. The cacao tea is very rich in the vitamin A and C. Contains the fiber, pectin, theobromine, calcium and magnesium. Is anti-inflammatory. In the seeds, the cacao seed is very rich in antioxidants that help to reduce the cholesterol. It's an energy food. It's good to eat, for example, 8 to 10 minutes before the breakfast and for activity or today. And the next process is grinding the cacao. And for this process, we'll use the piedra de moler. It's this one. Add the seeds and grinding like this. For the friction for the soften the paste. In the next process, we add the molasses. It's organic sugar. It comes from the sugar cane. For 100 gram cacao, we add 20 grams molasses and grinding for 10 minutes more together. After 10 minutes, we add the orange juice. And the function the orange juice is for the soften the paste and the function the natural preservant for 3 months. We have the chocolates to make to drink. The 70% dark chocolate. This one is for 1 cup. We have for 3 cups and we have for 6 cups. And the old chocolate, this one is a chocolate bars to eat. The 70% with different flavors, and we have with different liquors. For example, chocolate with brandy, with tequila, whiskey, vodka, and rum. The old chocolate here, this one is a 50% cacao. This one is a semi-sweet chocolate. We have the chocolate bars to eat. We have to make to drink for the 6 cup and for 1 cup. We have the cacao tea and shampoo, lip balm, soap with different products. And here, the old chocolate here is a 40% cacao. It's like a sweeter chocolate.
Which one are you trying now?
I think it's the rum.
Yes, it's with rum. This one is with
That's interesting.
Okay, so we're trying some of the different chocolates. Macadamia
I
nut?
think it's a cranberry, but I picked up a coconut.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's not one that I picked.
it's definitely cranberry.
It's cranberry. It's okay.
It's good.
This is coconut.
So the cacao has such a different taste than what you're used to with American chocolate, even if you go to like Godiva or whatever. This is more grainy and more rich, but less sugar.
Which is good and bad.
I kind of like it better. Which one was your favorite so far?
I like the rum.
Yeah, the rum is the best one. Okay, so let's see what you got here, April.
Okay, so we have pepion and rice and tamalitos.
with zipili.
Okay, what's in here?
You see a tortilla shell that's really bad looking?
Yes,
It's
right
mine.
here. Did you open it or you just eat it with the skin?
Open it.
Open it?
Yes. Open it and you can.
Oh, that's interesting.
Very good.
Oh, that's different. You put this in the soup.
You dip it.
You dip it. Oh, like this, like this.
Exactly.
Okay, like this.
You can separate it from the corn ribs.
Oh, you can, okay. All right, we're gonna try the chicken.
The chicken's very good.
Mmm.
Patio chicken.
Yeah, yard bird tastes much better. When it comes right out the front yard, it's fresh. You wouldn't think chicken would taste that much different if it comes out of somebody's yard, but it does. Regular chicken doesn't have flavor.
That you
like-
purchase at the grocery store.
Yeah, it doesn't have this kind of flavor. Like you taste the actual chicken. The one thing I'm kind of surprised about in Guatemalan food is it's got lots of spices in it, but it's not spicy.
It has flavor.
It's flavor spice, not hot spice.
Yes.
And aromatic.
Yes.
Aromatic, yeah.
Do you like this Pepion better or the other one?
They're both different, but Don Jose's Cardabuff, his homemade Pepion was very good, very flavorful. And then I like the cabbage that he had in his that we put in his soup.
You want tortilla?
Yeah, oh yeah, sure. I slaved over these tortillas. Yeah, it took me forever to make a tortilla.
It's hard. I did it at Cuscún. So did you want to find your tortilla and show everybody? You see it? Maybe they threw yours out. They were like, this is garbage.
Yeah, they threw my tortilla out. They didn't put it in here. They're like, we can't serve that to people.
Yeah. Gringo tortilla.
This video couldn't have been done without the help of Sabine, our driver,
And guide?
and Professor, because he knows everything about Guatemala. He's been there 20 hours a day, it seems like. We've been running long, hard days. He's been Sherpa-ing our camera gear and carrying April down mountain. Heck, he almost had to carry me down the mountain when I fell down. And also, he works for the Heart of Travel, which Chelsea has been by far the best tour operator I've worked with.
Yes.
Everything has been amazing in Guatemala.
Muchas gracias, Chelsea.
Yes.
And Selbin.
Absolutely.